Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your account so the change is secure. Open Efootball 2025 and go directly to Settings, then Account. This proves which platform is linked. Once done, confirm if you use Konami ID, PSN, Xbox Live, or Steam because the flow differs. Make sure you have your current password, recovery email, and any two-step device ready. Without them, you'll hit verification walls. This step prevents lockouts and ensures the reset affects the correct identity. You now execute the main change. If linked to Konami ID, choose Change Password in Account Management, enter your current password, then a new one. Use at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to reduce compromise risk. After submitting, the system sends an email or FA code. Input that code promptly to authorize the update. If you're using PSN, Xbox, or Steam, follow their password flows from the console or platform client, because platform passwords override in-game credentials. You finish by syncing the change across devices. Sign out of eFootball on each console or PC, then sign back in with the new password so tokens refresh. Make sure cloud saves and in-game purchases still appear. This confirms the correct account. If you're blocked, use the recovery email flow or the platform's account recovery. These restore access without losing progress. As a last resort, contact Konami support with your account ID and verification details. They can manually resolve persistent authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.